Okay guys, so one of the things I started with is a few years ago I created a design for a dragon that could hold a pen. It was something I really wanted to do and make a few of to just have as kind of a really fun thing when I go to conventions that people could buy. It will be a little bit pricier because of that, but I'm still excited to try it out. The first one I made was probably about 3.5 years ago, and I don't actually have it anymore. I think in one of my moves I either got rid of it stupidly or something happened to it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find my page. So this is my mini sketchbook. I usually have more than one sketchbook going at a time. It just depends on what I'm doing. Oh gosh, where did I put it? It might have been at the very beginning. Yep, there it is. Okay, so this is the design. This was the older design, what it looked like. And it would have a hole in the center of its mouth so it could hold a pencil, a paintbrush, different things like that. But when I made the old one, it was a little bit too small. You could only maybe fit a pencil. It didn't really have the ability to hold a pen or a brush or different things like that. So my new design is going to be a little bit bigger. This is what I'm hoping to go with. Not so much because it's meaner, but just because I need more room in the mouth and it will be bigger. My original was probably only about the size of this page. The new one is going to be probably about this big by this big. So it's going to be a pretty big piece to cast in resin, but I'm hoping it'll be fun and that you guys, as well as anyone else I meet at conventions, if you guys are interested, I will have some later on once this series is finished. I'm not sure how long this will take because sculpting it and because it's more of a personal project. One of the other things I'm going off of is a few years ago I sculpted this dragon. This is also where I'm going to get some ideas from. I can't do as many of these really deep cuts into it because casting will not keep it and it will probably destroy the mold very quickly. So with this one, just like doing a magnet, I'm going to have to keep it a little bit simpler design-wise to be able to continually recast it instead of only being able to cast maybe one or two. So with that said, I'm going to get right into it. I have my wire already here, and this one will only be probably about to right here. This will be a portion of the neck. I'll probably have a little bit more at the bottom, and this will just be the top circle part of the head, so right here. The rest of the snout and the hole that will hold a pen is actually just going to be complete Super Sculpey. I'm using Super Sculpey because I prefer it if I have my druthers. I could use other types of clay, but for me, casting wise, to be able to make a mold, it's my favorite, so that's the one I'm going to go with. You don't have to go with this if you're making anything, but that's the one I like sculpting with. Anyways, with that said, let's get into it. So funny story, guys. I actually thought I had recorded this whole segment, and it turned out I had totally forgot to click the record button. We're going to do a really quick version of what I was telling you in this one. In that one was the fact that with this sculpting video, it was one of my first that I actually tried doing. I am halfway off camera. I'm really sorry about that, guys. Please understand that I am still learning how to do everything, so it's not perfect. It's not great sometimes, but I'm grateful that you guys are here on this journey with me as I get better, as I learn, as I grow. With all that said, if I sound tired, if I sound like my voice is a little bit crackly, it's because it is. I had a very long weekend and a very long week for Easter, and leading up to it I worked a lot, and then I also had the art shop window at Gateway, which is finished, and I will have videos coming out. It has just been so incredibly busy. I have been so tired that I have just not had time to do very much. So I'm working on it at the moment to just try and get at least this video out to you guys. I was also saying thank you so incredibly much for getting to 100, guys. 100 subscribers is so incredible. I honestly didn't think I'd make it. I've wanted to give up a few times just because I emotionally have gone through some things where I've just been like, do I want to keep doing this, or do I not? And I'm really grateful for you guys who have commented, and for those who have collaborated with me, and for those who have just been here on this journey, because I I really, really appreciate everyone who comments, who likes, who even says anything about, you know, the video and on my Instagram or any place that you do. As an artist, as a writer, doing the different things I'm passionate about, it gets very tiring sometimes when you're working a job or doing different things, and sometimes you just don't feel inspired, and just one person saying something nice, one person doing a collaboration and inspiring you with what they are capable of doing and just being awesome, it inspires me. So as much as I try to inspire you guys, thank you so much for joining this Art Sprites community. You guys are my inspiration, and I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this. And here's to another 100 more, and hopefully, I'm saying this now, and I believe it's just like almost, I'm telling myself that it'll never happen, but who knows, right guys? But 100,000. Let's see where we can get, right? All you can do is go up, and all you can do is keep trying. So with that said, sorry this video is a little off. I will be having my 100 subscriber giveaway coming out in this next few days. I have just been so busy. I'm so tired, guys. This is Easter Sunday night that I am recording the audio for this. My voice is crackly because of work and losing my voice a little bit, so I will be coming out with that video. There's a cool gift package coming, but just remember, you guys are incredible, and thank you so much for being my inspiration, guys. Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. I'm sorry that it was kind of squirrely going around. It's very hard to film sculpting just because there's so much movement, whereas with like a drawing you only keep it one place. With sculpture you have to continually move it. So it's kind of hard to get that in, you know, in picture, but I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing how this has come along. I will be doing a video painting it. I don't think I'll be doing a video showing how I mold it, just because I'm still learning, and I don't want to give you guys tips that'll screw up. So the last thing I actually have to do is I need to make a little indent in the back that will be able to hold it up on a wall. If you guys can see, there is, with the really cool little horn on him. I will be selling these once I have a few of them created. They will be pretty hard to make, so they will be around $65 to $70, but they will be a one-of-a-kind art piece. I don't think I'll be making a specific number of them, but they are going to be difficult, so there won't be a lot. If you guys would like to get one, please just follow my Instagram and the YouTube channel, because I will be letting you guys know once one of these goes up for sale. I don't know exactly where I will be putting them at the moment, but there will be one of these going up for sale that you guys could buy. I will be having some made for a convention I'm going to later this year. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy. Sorry, I'm just fixing, there's this line right here that was really bothering me. It kind of got smushed down while working on other stuff, so I'm just kind of fleshing that out again. But anyways, I'm gonna have a few more videos showing you guys what has happened with this guy, of showing different things that have been done. Sorry, I keep saying Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Stay inspired, stay amazing, and keep creating incredible stuff. If you liked and enjoyed this video, be sure to like it down below. Let me know if you would like to see other videos. And with that said, here are some more videos over here. So have a great day, guys. Bye!